see, this temple work was to start. So this is sea area. Every building has piling. You know the piling? It goes 30 feet, 35 feet below the ground. So I said to Guruji that we must piling in this land to build the temple. But Guruji suddenly said that no piling is required in our land. After that, we called the soil specialist who test the soil, and he also given the report, the piling is must required for this land. Then we call another engineer. He also said the piling is must required. He also discussed with Guruji, but Guruji said no, piling is not required in our land. So Guruji said you can test the soil by a boring machine. So I called one boring wala. When the boring went 5 feet, the boring book he cannot pull out. So then Guruji said, you dig the land. And we dig the land, and you see the sand and the stone just melt up and put a very hard stone. Then I called that soil testing engineer, that he said, you can build 8-story building here, no fear, no dangers. When I took the darshan of Radha Ras Bihari, Madhu Visa told me that just now Prabhupada ji came from America, so you can take darshan from him. So he took me to the Prabhupada, and I take darshan of Prabhupada. And Prabhupada questioned to me that what are you working? I told, as Prabhu, I am getting up early in the morning, taking 1 cup of tea, and then go to bathroom, and that to my business. Then Prabhupada ji suddenly said that what is difference between you and a pig? He is also eating, he has a children, and just like you, but you are not chanting Mahamantra or Krishna name. So I said that Prabhupada, I have not got such a relation to the satsang that I have no habit of this. Then Prabhupada ji suddenly called Madhu Visa and asked me where you are staying. I said that I am staying at Goregaon. So Prabhupada ji ordered to Madhu Visa that every Sunday after the Mangal Aarti, you all devotee go to the Sethi's house and do the Nagar Sankirtan there, that he must get association with you and he will be a devotee. So for 1 year, all devotees are coming to my house every Sunday, and we are doing Nagar Sankirtan there, about 10 miles, 15 miles, and then back to my house, and then they take feast there, and then they come back. So by this way, I attached with ISKCON. So I sit here, Guruji was sitting here, and Guruji said, so many Gita shloka, and why are you weeping? Death is nothing. That is only that soul is changing the clothes. just like body, soul is changing the body. Death is nothing. Why you are weeping for that? But you cannot die by this disease because you have to work for temple so much. So I said that doctor says that if you pull out your patas from the neck and the chest, you will be die. Then Guruji said, pull out the patas and throw away from the window. I will see that how you will die. So I pull out the patas and through this window. And Guruji said here about 2 hours and then said, you are not died, you are alive. So you cannot die by this disease. The thing is this, you remember, you have promised to Krishna some time ago. Remember that. So after some minutes, I got that memory that when I came here in Bombay from Pakistan, so I was no house to live. I have no money to work. So I promised to Krishna that Krishna, if you kindly give me one house and 1 lakh rupee, then I will always chant your name. And I said to Guruji, yes, I remember this promise I done to Krishna. And Guruji said, he has given so many lakhs of rupees, so many houses, but you have not chanted Krishna. So Krishna put what chanta kya bole? Slap to me. No, you go and build the building. You cannot go to the toilet. No, you take this mala and do the japa and you will be all right. About Prabhupada's quarters, one day Prabhupada was slightly sick and at क्या नाम था उसका no. Tamal Krishna. Tamal Krishna was standing on the gate that nobody entered to Prabhupada's quarter. I and my wife went there to take darshan of Guruji. So I said, Tamal Krishna, I want to take darshan of Guruji. Tamal Krishna said that nobody allowed to take darshan. Prabhupada heard my voice inside and Prabhupada called, Tamal Krishna, Sethi is there? Tamal Krishna said, yes. Yes, allow him to come here. Then I went there. Then Guruji said to me that, Mr. Sethi, you see all the flat, all the devotees has furnished my quarter. So I went and see the bed and carpets, kitchen and bathroom, very well furnished. I came back and said, Guruji, this is very well furnished. And Guruji suddenly said, you both are here, you come here and stay here. I am a sannyasi. I don't want this decoration. I will go to another room. So how kind of Guruji, never, nobody can amaze this, like this kripa kind of so much highly Guru. I am nothing, but he loved me so much. So you see, that is very, very mercy of Guruji. You see, a Guru like Prabhupada was so merciful. I have seen that he is loving to everybody. He has so much love to devotees. I'm telling one story to you. One Christian boy came to temple, this Hare Krishna land, and there was a tree of papita. He, he took some papita from the tree, and was going, and a devotee caught him, and he bring that boy to Guruji and said, this boy is stealing our papita. And Guruji said, what he will do with papita? Then devotee said, he will eat. And if you, then Guruji said to devotee, if you will take that papita, what you will do? He said, I will also eat that papita. And what is different? He will eat papita and you will eat papita. From that day, his Christian boy's parents became devotee. That the man who has no difference between the devotee and a Christian, he is equally as a human being. He will eat you papita and you will eat papita. Then what is the difference? So Prabhupada said to that boy, you want more? If you want more, take more. So everything, in every time, Guruji was living any time, Guruji was saying that make more prasadam, more and more prasadam. At that days there was a ration in India. All this grain and rice was getting on ration. But Guruji was not caring for the high prices. Guruji idea was that more and more people can take prasadam. If they will eat prasadam, they will chant Hare Krishna. Their mind will be purified. If they take Krishna prasadam, they will take Krishna prasadam, their mind will be purified and they became a devotee. So this is the main thing what Guruji want to spread, to teach to everybody that you are not different, whether your skin is white, whether your skin is black, whether you are Hindu, whether you are Muslim, whether you are Christian, no difference. One thing is common in whole of us, that is, we are the soul, we are the son of the Krishna, and we want to return to Krishna. For that you chant, simply chant Hare Krishna. No knowledge is required, no need, somebody is professor, somebody is spiritual master, somebody is very scientist, somebody is engineer. Only simply you chant Mahamantra and your association will be more and more you will get with the Krishna. Mrs. Nair came here with their solicitors, sit down in this outside, and Guruji was sitting upstairs. Then Mr. Nair told the solicitor that you please sit here. First I take time from Guruji to discuss about all cases which we have put upon the ISKCON and ISKCON put upon me. Then I will call to you. When Mrs. Nair went upstairs and she sat about 5 minutes there, 5 minutes, only 5 minutes. They got so impression that she came back and told to the solicitor that I surrendered to Guruji. Please, you can go. I will pay your fees. I will pay your fees, but you go. You can go. The same day, we came to live in this house. Then Guruji said, a sannyasi cannot live in Grahastha's house. So I am going. So Guruji went in Chatai Arts where Mahatma Gandhi was staying and built by Shumati Murarji. So Guruji went there and there was no also arrangement of cleanliness. The devotees cleaned the Chatai Art and Guruji stayed there. And the night about 12 p.m., 2-3 devotees came with jeep that Mrs. Nair came to Guruji and he is calling to you. So I went there. Mrs. Nair was sitting outside the Chatai Hut and she was weeping. So I went. Then she said that you please ask to Guruji that Guruji forgive me for the whole trouble which I have given to the ISKCON devotees, ISKCON peoples, everything. Then I went to Guruji. Then Guruji said that सुबह का भूला शाम को घर आ जाए तो उसे भूला हुआ नहीं कहते. If the man who forget his own path in the morning, but he came in the evening in his house properly, so he has not forget the path because he came at least in his place. तो गुरुजी ने बोला आप उसको बोलो आ जाए. Then I went to Mrs. Nair कि गुरुजी ने आपको माफ़ कर दिया. गुरुजी have forgive your all the. Then Mrs. Nair was with registrar who is registering the documents. He paid his fees and registrar came and Guruji also got up from asan and came between the hall. Then Mrs. Nair put the all documents of this Hare Krishna land in the feet of Guruji and said, please forgive me. Then Guruji said that you will not get any trouble from today. Otherwise, always he is seeing in dream his husband's soul and she cannot sleep all the night. But after that, she became all right. One day, I am building one story on the old building for the devotees, because the devotee was no house to live. They are staying in the Chatai huts. So I am building one story on the old buildings. So one day I was very hot day and cement and sand was put on my clothes, very dirty clothes, and I think that I will not go Guruji in this position. So when I am going that, my mind said, why you are not going to Guruji? Go to Guruji. What is there? We are working in here and there is must some cement and sand will put on and I am working like this. And I went to Guruji and all these Giriraj Swami, Sridhar Swami was sitting there. Then Guruji said, Mr. Sethi, you are building houses for my devotees and your house is building in Krishna Loka. Then I said, I am a sinful man, Prabhupada. How I can go to Krishna Loka? Then Guruji said, "Yeah, this I will see. This is not your duty. I will see that you will go to Krishna Loka. You see how they will love to the devotees, that who serve the devotees. Guruji show mercy upon that person who serve the devotees, that he can Krishna Loka to that person. Who is the devotee? What, how kind of love to the devotees, that who serve the devotees, he can give him to Krishna Loka. What a big thing! कृष्ण का दास तो कृष्ण के पास पहुंचेगा ही, कृष्ण का डिवोटी तो कृष्ण के पास पहुंचेगा ही. But what the idea of, what the mercy of Guruji, कि जो who the person serve my devotees, he will get also Krishna Loka. What a big thing! What a big philosophy!
যে আনিল